Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of video today. I'm super excited, and I know panning back on my camera shows you how messy my desk is, but it is what it is. So I got one of the mystery boxes from Dale with Not Too Shabby Chic. She does mystery boxes with different ephemeras and fabrics and different kind of things. And you just kind of tell her a dollar amount and she goes to town picking you some awesome stuff. So I'm super excited. All I've done is open the box. I haven't gone through or seen anything. I just opened it because it was taped very, very well. But I got this card and I'm super excited. So let's see what all we got. Okay, now I gotta make sure I have a place to put all this because I was so excited I didn't really create room. So, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it looks like we got some fabrics here, some different trim, like a crocheted. Oh, these are so pretty. There's a bunch of different ones in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Some really pretty fabrics there. I'm going to set these to the side. And then, oh, look at this. So it looks like these are trims, like eyelash trims. I'm going to have to, they're just neat materials. It's like, yeah, they're like eyelash trims, like, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Here's eyelash trims, and then that's really cool too. That's pretty. Oh, I love it, and I love those colors. Very neutral, very vintagey, very much me. Okay, and then in here, oh, how neat! I've got to see where she gets her stuff because she has the coolest stuff. So some pipe cleaners and. There's just so much to look at. I don't know what these are. Little, oh, how cool. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with those. That's neat. And then a vintage spoon. And I'm not sure what these are, but this is super cool. Tip top. Huh. I will have to ask her about those. That's really cool. And then some washers. And oh, tally cards for games. And then it looks like some time cards. Yep. Those are super cool. I've been looking on eBay for some of those too. Just some good vintage like time cards, stuff like that. Oh, some more lace. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I'll set that over here. And then, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this stuff. Oh, I'm so excited about everything I'm seeing down there. Ah! So I guess I should tell you guys, is this a dental chart? How neat is this? Oh, how cool. But I guess I should tell you, this is a $100 box. Oh, how neat. So, oh, it's a warranty deed. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then a vintage letter. And they're in these plastic coverings to keep them protected. Those are so cool. And then, ooh, some more lace. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. I will use the tar out of that. And then we have, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. There's just so much stuff to see. It looks like some film strips and some old pictures and some cabinet cards, some Polaroid slides. Oh, that is so neat. And then, oh, how these pictures, oh, they are so cool. Put that over there. Ooh, another bag of lace trims. I love these. I use these so much, and I go through so many of them. And it's so nice to get a different kind because I'm kind of stuck to Amazon and Walmart, so I don't really get a good variety of different stuff. All right. Oh, yay! She knows me. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so we've got an old music book. Oh my gosh. Look at those pages. Okay, that's super exciting. And some ledger, old ledger. That's, oh, that is so cool. Mine is, the other that I have is like a pink or a peachy color. So this is so neat to have. So cool. All right, I'll move that. Oh, yay. No ledger papers. It's like some piano paper. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of goodies in here. Some playing cards, different ephemera. Oh my gosh, it's just jam-packed, guys. There's newspaper articles in here, an old letter. Oh my gosh. There's just so much to look at. Okay. And then some, oh, like those library cards. These are awesome for quick stuffing of pockets. Look how thick that is. That is so awesome. And then some greeting cards. Oh, those are so cute. And then some more lace trims. Yay! Oh, I love that. That is going to be so pretty. And then, what have we got over here? Oh, vintage envelopes, letters. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid to even touch them because they are so old. Oh, look at this. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then, oh, that is so neat. And it spins, nice interactive element there. I'll have to see what I can't do to play with that. Oop. And then some postcards. A ton of them. And then, oh yeah, like some real vintagey postcards. So cool. And then I'm thinking, oh, how neat. Some bingo cards. You know, I was watching Margaret on Seven Plaza, and she is making the coolest flip journal, and she's using bingo cards to do it. It's so neat. I gotta see what these are. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at that little book. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then my school day autobiography. Look at these pages. Please name the homeliest one after me. That's adorbs. Alright, super cool. Let's put that back over here. This is like the bottomless box. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've got some vintage labels, some more bingo cards, and that's really cool. It's like a workbook. Okay. And then some books. Let's see here. I'm having to do this video standing because I can't get in there and get it. It's such a big box. Oh, how neat. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, how neat. Wow. 1972 antiques. That's kind of cool. And then more trims. These are so pretty. So pretty. And look, these fabric trims. Oh, little fabric pieces. Oh, how nice. All right. Gosh, my brain is going 90 to nothing. I can already think of what I'm looking for. And that's so sweet. She asked me if there was any little golden book that I would want. And I remember when I was a little girl, this was my favorite little golden book, the little Pokey Puppy. So let's see what else she put in here. Gosh, that brings memories back. Oh, how cool. You know, I see people do the coolest things with these, and I need to start doing that. Seeing if I can't make something cool with a little golden book. Oh, I'm running out of room. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Oh, how neat. They're frames. Vintage frames. How cool is that? And I love that closure. I'm going to have to play with that later. Oh, there's the other piece to that book. And then, oh my goodness. I am not sure what these are. It looks like bowling score boards. How cool. Okay, that's going to be fun to play with. Ooh, a 1974 yearbook. Oh, wow. How cool is this? It belonged to a nice girl, apparently. Wow. Linda. Love that. Oh, that trim is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then in here, magazine and music paper, Modern Living from the 70s. This looks like it's from 67. Life magazine. Oh, how cool. Oh my gosh, Dale, you 100% outdid yourself. Thank you so very much. I'm so excited. Everybody else, definitely go check her out, Not Too Shabby Chic on YouTube, and ask her about her mystery boxes, and you guys can get an awesome surprise in the mail like I did today. So I hope everyone has a great rest of their week, and I will see you later. Bye.